Hello everyone! Let us make this beautiful decorative piece today using bamboo skewers, a smiley ball and some spray paint. Take a smiley ball and cut it in the center. Leave one half as it is and cut the second one further this way, just to make it slightly smaller than the first one. We need some barbecue sticks here. You may either use the sticks of the same size or can cut them in different sizes like the way I did. Start inserting the sticks from the base and then fill upwards. To avoid confusion while inserting the sticks, we can mark the insertion points on the sponge ball and complete the insertion. Once done, spray some metallic gold paint on it and leave it to dry. You may either pop these beauties on the wall with some double-sided tape or simply place them on a glass table. That's it. Isn't it crazily easy? I hope you liked this video. This is your Sue signing off.